In a world filled with chaos, we still hear a voice of hope. It's Charlie Chaplin's unforgettable speech from the great dictator. This powerful message resonates with our shared humanity. Chaplin begins by declaring he doesn't wish to rule or conquer. Instead, he longs to help everyone. Jew, Gentile, black man, white, this vision is our common ground. He emphasizes that we all desire happiness, not to inflict misery on each other. He paints a vivid picture of our world's potential. There is enough space for everyone, and the earth can provide for all. But greed has poisoned our souls, fostering hate and division. Technology has advanced, yet mankind feels more isolated than ever. He urges us to prioritize humanity over machinery, kindness over cleverness. Without these virtues, life devolves into violence. Chaplin speaks directly to the millions in despair. He reassures us that misery is temporary. Greed and hate will fade, but the yearning for liberty is eternal. He warns against giving ourselves to tyrants. They view you as machines, but you are not. You are men with love in your hearts. Hate comes only from the unloved. Instead of fighting for oppression, we must fight for freedom. He reminds us that the kingdom of God exists within each of us. You hold the power to create happiness and a beautiful life. He calls for unity and a new world. A world where everyone has a chance to work, where youth sees a future, and the elderly live with security. Dictators rise with false promises. They take freedom but never give it back. Now we fight to fulfill these promises. A world without barriers, greed, or intolerance awaits if we unite. In the name of democracy, let us join together. This timeless speech challenges us to rise. It's a call to action, to advocate for a world where science, reason, and happiness flourish for all. Remember, you have the power to inspire change. Let's harness it together. Thank you for watching. If this message resonated with you, like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content.